Hi everyone, this is my first unboxing of this, which is the Natural Beauty Box. Cost is just over £24. You have got different options, be that on a monthly basis, or you can do it a lump sum for over 3 months and you get a discount, or you can do it over 6 months or a longer period. So you can check on their website. I'll put everything in the description bar so you have a look. But they obviously, as it says per the title, the Natural Beauty Box, they have natural beauty products, which if you don't know, you know now. I love natural beauty products. So first unboxing, let's go through and see what's inside. Ooh. So you've got the card, which says Summer Holidays by the Natural Beauty Box. And here what's inside, it's got Kokoglow Pink Kisses Salt Body Scrub in there. So it's got a list of items in there as well, and it's all about looking after your skin. And in here it's got everyday organic, so you've got from a company called Organii. Organii. So you've got different products there as well. Sunscreen as well, sun cream with SPF. So you've got a little sample here that you can actually try, which is High Protection Sun Milk. So that's the first one. And now for the unboxing. Ooh. So just checking through. Yeah, that's more than enough. Lovely. Pink Kisses. So you've got the Pink Kisses body salt scrub, 200 grams. This looks so pretty. I absolutely love the look of this actually. Yeah, so it comes in this bag, which is resealable, so you cut through there and you've got that, and it's got one step: get naked, hop into the shower, you know, grab a handful of Pink Kisses and start cleaning your skin, you know, rub it onto your skin and then rinse away, and voila. You can use a Kokoglow body scrub on your face too. So this is multifunctional on your face as well as the rest of your body. And it's got with coconut and rose is the smell. Very nice. Yes, I like the idea of that. From the Organii Everyday Organics, medium protection sun milk. I like the idea of that. Very nice. Plus a free 50 ml after sun as well. It's got UVA protection as well in there. And it's 125 ml. And so it's medium protection. So something that's natural. And it gives you further information there and so on. You've got questions that which you can actually see answers to. And so really nice. Right, I do like that, and it's vegan. Nice, very nice. I'll put the total value of items as well, or somewhere doing editing on the screen. So in here you got Siskyn skincare oil, and so this one is Elixir, grapefruit and sweet fennel toning body oil. So that's really nice. So let me actually see if I can sniff it, if it's got a nice smell. So there you have it. It comes, ooh, look at the packaging. Very snazzy. Wrapped up. Nice. Undo that. You know what? Forget that. Yeah. That's a lot easier. And just trying to see, squeeze a little amount and see. And there you have it. So it's oil, obviously. Nice. Rub it. My son's laughing and looking at me all weird, thinking, what are you doing? Oh yeah, I can smell I can smell the grapefruit. Wow. But I like the smell of grapefruit. It's refreshing. It's lovely. It does take a while, but you can actually spend more time rubbing it into your skin. I love the actual glow that you're getting on your skin here. That is so natural, so nice as well. Very nice. And also the last two items you have here, which is the Conscious Skincare, lovingly made in Britain. And this is grapefruit and cedarwood body wash. Nice combination. I do like cedarwood as well. And also cedarwood is actually really good for the skin. It's an astringent as well, which means that it works against things which work in excess. That's excessive oil, excessive BO for anybody out there. It's a good one to have as well. So in here you have got it's got a shelf life of 6 months, and it's got ingredient aqua, which is obviously water, organic potassium. So it's got other products in there as well, and then it's got sunflower, basically that's sunflower oil as well. 50 ml is in here. So that's that one. And then the final item would be raw Ganic Feel Pure, the pure refreshing facial wipes. So you've got organic cotton wipes as well with aloe vera inside, natural origin moisturizer, and also it's got contains organic green tea leaf as well, and obviously it has no parabens and no fragrance and no colorings and all SLS added to that as well. So it's for a 4-in-1 cleanse, tone, moisturize and refresh your skin. You've got 25 wipes in there. So those are the items in here. She did send an email, the lady who runs this sent an email saying that there are going to be, supposed to be some samples in here. Unfortunately, they didn't arrive in time, so they will be curated in another box at a later date. There will be some free samples there coming from Spain, no less. So that's the unboxing. I love natural beauty products, you guys know that, so I'm a very, very happy bunny, especially with the actual scrub and also the natural sunscreen that I can actually use to help protect against the sun, against the sun. Don't assume because you got dark skin that you mean you don't need to protect yourself. No, you need to protect yourself too. Thank you, and as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your way out, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, people. Bye.